Hey, all, welcome. Now, I have been in a lot of kitchens over the years that could benefit from more light on the countertop shining down from underneath the kitchen cabinets. Well, unless you already have under cabinet lights, you have to call an electrician or a handyman, or maybe you know how to do electrical work yourself. And that was up until now. Now we have these battery powered, long lasting LED motion sensitive lights. Now, these lights were sent to me at no charge so that I could give you my honest opinion about how they work, and that's what I'm going to do. Let's check out what's inside the box. You get two aluminum lights that feel way more premium when compared to plastic lights. You'll also find two USB charging cables and four metal pads that you can peel and stick under the cabinets or wherever you want to mount the lights. Flip the box over and you'll see some easy instructions on how to set the timing and the lighting modes. You've got 3 color temperatures and 5 brightness levels to choose from. You can also pick how long the lights stay on after it stops detecting motion. You can choose between 10 or 20 seconds. Here's a look at the lights charging on my homemade charging station. When you first plug them in, the motion sensor dome lights up red, letting you know they're charging. Once they're fully charged, it switches to green. I have a dedicated cabinet for when my grandkids are here to store their clothes, but it's too dark inside for them to find what they're looking for. It's a perfect place for these battery-powered LED lights. And in my kitchen, I already have under-counter lights, but I keep them on low so they're not too bright at night. And that means they're not bright enough to illuminate my dedicated sandwich cutting board when I want to make a sandwich. This is a perfect place for one of these battery-powered LED lights. And as you can see, these lights aren't just well made, they're also incredibly versatile. I highly recommend them. Thanks for watching.